Where you get your PharmD matters. Community, mission, purpose, research, hands-on experiences both locally and globally, flexibility to personalize your degree for your passions, it all matters. And since 1927, Samford University's McWhorter School of Pharmacy has been that place for aspiring pharmacists, preparing them to transform lives and improve health worldwide. Here, you'll benefit from an established yet innovative Christian learning environment. With classes housed in the College of Health Sciences, state-of-the-art facilities, you'll engage in practical, interprofessional experiences alongside students in nursing, health professions, and public health. You can even personalize your PharmD by combining it with other areas of studies such as law, nutrition, business, or others. Beyond that, our school is located in Birmingham, the healthcare hub of Alabama. So you have a diverse set of clinical options right in your backyard. And extending even further, McWhorter offers opportunities across the world for you to serve and take on life-changing adventures. At the heart of McWhorter School of Pharmacy is its community, professors who are both highly accomplished leaders in their fields and deeply committed to supporting you in lab studies, clinical training and research, classmates who become lifelong friends, and even alumni with whom you can connect throughout your career. When you leave here, you'll be prepared to thrive in a wide range of healthcare environments, from community pharmacy to acute care hospitals to ambulatory care and more. Yes, it's a big, complex world of healthcare, but our PharmD takes you further, equipping you for wherever you are called to serve.